Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of ages. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Good morning. Welcome to day 19 of Vlogmas. It's going by so fast. We've got less than a week to Christmas. I am attempting again to record with the phone attached to the window, so it may fall, but we're going to try it. Yesterday, I did not open either of my crafty advents. It was just one of those days, but I do have both of them for today. The plan for today is baking cookies. I went grocery shopping with Janie yesterday and we bought ingredients that we need. I am doing something a little differently this year. I normally make an almond sugar cookie. That's a recipe that I've had for quite a while. But my new daughter-in-law is allergic to nuts. She can't obviously have almond cookies. But I was talking to her mom the other day and she said she can have artificial almond flavoring. So when I was at the store yesterday, I got some and I sent a message to her mom and I said, "Is this okay?" And I sent her a picture of the ingredient list and she said yes. So I will be doing my almond sugar cookies with artificial almond flavoring this year, and hopefully they'll be really good, and that way we can keep everybody safe. Okay. I worked on my trifle wrap some yesterday, but not a ton. I'm about almost halfway through color 9. I did get my 24 stripe socks stripe done through today, I think. I got it on both of them. We'll look together. What else do I need to tell you? I think that's about it. I'm going to probably put in video of having to fix something. This morning I have, well, a few years ago, I don't remember where I was, some craft show, and I got it's like a green twine kind of stuff, and then some decorated clothespins for hanging up Christmas cards. And I've used it for several years, but the twine was starting to break, and when it had broken close to the end, and so I retied it and it was working okay, but this morning it broke and it was just too short to fix again. So I had to get fresh twine, which is not green, but I don't actually care about that much, and restrung that. So anyway, that was one of my things this morning that I wasn't expecting to have to do, but I'm glad I got that taken care of. Okay, let's open a couple of advents. I feel very disjointed this morning. I've been up for like an hour and a half. Day 18 of Missouri Star Quilt Company. This is pretty light. Let's see what's in here, but it's sort of lumpy. A template, a Hexy Dreams pillow pattern. That's pretty cool. Let's see. See the information on the back. It says Wandering Ways custom 5-inch pack. Is that the one we got the other day? I think it might be. Fits a 12 or 16-inch pillow form. You need background fabric in a pillow form and backing. And you need the stretched hexagon, which is this, and pre-cut double-sided fusible fleece hexagon shapes. Oh, cool. That's these. Oh, it's upside down. Right. So you can see they're pre-cut to this shape. Interesting. That's pretty cool. All right, day 19. This one's fairly heavy for its size. Sorry for the crinkling face. Do you recognize it now? Oh, it's a book. Make sure I didn't forget anything in there. I don't think so. So it's the Happy Quilter Variety Puzzles. Oh, like word search puzzles. And other puzzles. Road trips. Oh, logic puzzle. Color wheel. Logic puzzles. More word search. Crosswords. Interesting. And some pretty pencils. Nice. That looks like that would be pretty fun for travel games. Okay, on to the yarn. Day 18. Will I ever get to day 18? We shall see. Okay, that one's day 18. I need to make sure I take pictures. What I've been doing, I need to maybe put those in there to show you. I've been taking a picture and then doing the edit feature on my phone and putting the number of the day since I'm so far behind. And I don't want to forget what order they were in. It doesn't matter that much, but I'd like to do them in the order that I open them. And today is day 19. I'll let you look first. Did it focus? That's really, this makes a really pretty skein. I'm gonna guess that it's dyed like half. If you open it up, it'll be half the one color and half the other. Makes a really pretty skein. It will pool when you do that, but because this is a small skein, the pooling is tends not to be quite as dramatic. All right, very pretty. I really like those. Oh, come on. There it is. Nice. Okay, I'm going to plan to set up the camera and at least get some of our cookie baking today. Oh, by the way, did I mention, I don't know if you can tell, probably not with this camera shot, but I did clean up my sewing table. I have an idea for a quick sewing craft as a gift, but I can't tell you right now because somebody that would receive one watches. So I can't tell you, but I can tell you a message from her just popped up on my phone. All right, everybody, I will see you in a bit. I'm back. I realized as I was getting ready to put things away and go downstairs and get out cookie baking stuff, I didn't show you any of the knitting that I did yesterday. Okay, here's the trifle wrap. So it doesn't fall off the needles. That would be stressful. Y'all, this thing is going to be huge. I probably should have just added an extra repeat or 2 or 3 and just made a blanket. Look at this. So that's the green. Yeah, you're looking at the front. Okay, so that's the green that I added yesterday. I'm not going to be able to hold it up far enough. But yeah. Consider that the purple is day 8. with 24 colors, it's going to be 3 times this long. It will be the perfect blanket for church because our church tends to be chilly. And yeah, so I'm going to have a blanket for church. And it's going to be soft and it's going to be beautiful. And I am going to finish it, right? Tell me I'm going to finish it. I like it. Okay. Wow, I had no idea how bright this green was. I was working on this while we were watching the movie last night. It was The Man Who Invented Christmas, about Charles Dickens writing A Christmas Carol. It was really good. It was a lot of fun to watch. It was kind of funny. Christopher Plummer's in it. Who knew? All right, look how bright that green is. Oh my goodness. These are really pretty. I'm enjoying this quite a bit. So yeah, that's day 19. I haven't put in the afterthought heel yet. We'll see if I get to it. Maybe. Where's the other one? Proof that I did both. So I got those done. All right, I want to make sure that I showed you that, since I did actually get some knitting done yesterday. I worked on it. I worked on the trifle wrap in the dentist office yesterday. And it seemed like her appointment took quite a while. It was approaching an hour. I don't think there were any problems. I think they were just kind of busy, so it may have taken the dentist a little while to get to her. So anyway, that was my day yesterday, my work on stuff yesterday. Today it's cookies, and I'm not sure about tomorrow. We'll see. Hi, I hope you're having a good afternoon. I am currently sitting on my mudroom steps out here, letting Bentley just be outside for a little bit. There's still those feral dogs in the area. We haven't seen them the last like 24-ish hours. Maybe they've moved on, but we're still concerned enough that I don't want him to be out here by himself. So I'll hang out here with him for a little bit just to let him get some fresh air. I have so far made sausage balls, orange balls, haystacks, almond cookies. I think that's it for today. Still need to make my chocolate mint cookies. I've been making them for years, so I know how to do it, and I have a reliable recipe, so it's not difficult, but it's a lot of steps. I want to have them, but I don't really want to make them.
it is about, I think it's about 5:30. I've got dinner ready. Andy's on the way home. I have spent my day baking with haystacks, mint cookies, and almond cookies. How's that? I am hopefully going to edit a little earlier tonight. It was very late last night, and I would like to get that done a little earlier tonight and hopefully get in a little bit of knitting before I have to go to bed. All right, everybody, I hope you've had a good Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow.